today, me and another photographer are gonna switch lenses. Oh my God, this is so close. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, no, I'm gonna suck at this.
Jess will be shooting KAYLEIGH'S style, which is beauty, and then Kayleigh will be shooting Jess's style, which is more fashion.
Okay, so I'm using the Canon 100mm f2.8, and it is a macro lens. So it's primarily what I used to do all of my beauty photography. It's pretty much my only lens that I mainly use these days.
So Kayleigh's gonna be using my lens, which is the 24-70. I do a lot of wide angle, weird perspective, and weird angle. So that's what I'm expecting Kayleigh to do. And Kayleigh, you do a lot of beauty stuff. So
yeah, you're gonna be doing eye crops.
I'm gonna be
eye, face, like really close up. You're gonna have to get creative.
I'm ready for it. Is mine not?
Do you wanna do that again?
Oh my God, this is the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button. Wow, I'm gonna get roasted for that.
Leave that in.
Yo, you guys, I haven't slept like for 2 weeks, so. New country, new time zone, like give me a break here, please. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using Kayleigh's lens, which is a macro 100mm. I'm gonna copy what she did yesterday. I was assisting her yesterday, so I'm gonna basically like do the same thing. Just literally just have Georgia hold the leaf. And I think it should be good. We should be fine. I think she's gonna have a harder time than me because she gotta do like full body, get all the garbage cans out of there. I have it easy, to be honest with you. Where do you put the models for this type of thing?
Put the models? I guess that's part of
Where,
you said you were gonna have it easy.
I lied a little bit. Okay, 5 minutes is on the clock. All right.
Ready?
Okay, yes.
Hey guys, I'm Georgia Risa. I'm a commercial model based in Tokyo, but I'm here in Sydney.
Wait, where was Kayleigh shooting yesterday?
I wasn't here yesterday.
Oh man, okay.
So that's gonna be really exciting. I don't usually do too much beauty, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna go.
She does like this sort of thing? She does that?
Do you want to shade or do you want it in the shot?
Does she do that? Is that right, Kayleigh? She's looking at me.
I ain't giving you no hints.
I see the eye contact. Is that right? Oh, I feel like this is correct, yeah. She looks, look me in the eyes right now. Tell me this is right. No?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, so we're gonna do the direct. Yeah, I want this. She did something like this yesterday. We're literally copying her shot from yesterday. Like have it. It was like this. Yeah.
So what my face are you taking a picture of?
I haven't gotten that far. I don't know. Okay, just stay right there.
My eyes at my mouth.
I have no idea.
Jess shooting me beauty style was definitely more challenging, and I can't see the back of the screen. I don't know what's being shot, so I don't know whether it's my lips, if it's my eyes. I don't know what the lighting is like, so I had to really rely on Jess for like directions and everything.
Yeah, something like, oh my God. Okay, wait. Oh yes, this looks great. She does this kind of thing. Lift your chin up a bit. Then she gets like the side of the face. Wow. I got this, you guys. Yeah, lift your chin up a bit. Maybe like put it right. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so sorry. Like press it against your face. Yeah.
Which part of my face?
We never shoot like this. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Did I just hit you in the face?
No, I mean Swiss hard.
Okay, let's do, yeah, like that. Leaf placement and then the sun and the shadows. It was, I feel like you had to get super, super creative because you're in such a small space. This is so hard. Okay. Is that ugly? I'm looking at Kayleigh, I'm like, tell me if this is, okay, like that, yes, yes. Oh my God, okay, cool. Oh, that's good, no, but it's, oh, God. Okay, it's fine, it's coming out. I'm a meteorologist too. It's coming out, two minutes, it'll be out. Where's the sun?
I actually think Jess did really well because I feel like she thought about the images that she was taking, which sometimes, you know, when you're doing a lot of street photography, it's easy to take a lot of images and just keep taking them.
Right here. She shot right in this exact spot. How much time do I have? Oh my God, okay. Wait, tilt your head this way? Yeah, I guess. Oh my God. Yeah, that's perfect. Don't move. She takes like really close up shots of the eye. Let's do something maybe right here.
When you're so close up to someone's face, there's not a lot of variety that you can really reach for, so you have to think about it a bit more.
Where's the sun? I feel like the sun will come out any moment. The sun will come out right now.
10 seconds.
But the sun's not out yet. Okay, that's fine. Get the leaf back, get the leaf.
Big one.
Hurry. Yeah.
2, 1.
Lower.
Time's up.
That was very interesting. great job. But I know Kayleigh's work very well. I mean, I've been following her for many years now.
Like, yeah, you could tell that you were actually thinking about like the images that you'd seen before, like beauty photography. And
You're basically just Kayleigh. Kayleigh was my inspiration.
I don't know if Jess has copied my stuff successfully. I feel like I'm gonna have to look at the images before I can make a call on that. So we'll see. I think I've got 2 locations picked.
You ready? That was so close. I'm not usually scared of that kind of stuff. When it comes right at you, it's
Man, Australia's a different ballgame when it comes to that. I'm gonna get you walking. I'm gonna get walking shots.
okay. Oh, very Jess style.
Very Jess style. I mean, I'm about to do the same thing in terms of like copying Jess's photography that she did yesterday. So, I mean, that's my strategy too. So I'm just gonna do that.
Time starts now.
Okay, let's go. This way, Georgia. So I'm gonna get you walking. So I want you kind of just like in around this area. Beautiful. Oh, amazing. Oh, I really like this lens. Oh my God, I feel
really weirdly.
I feel like, oh my God, I literally feel like Jessica Kobasi right now.
Oh my gosh, wow. That's like, yeah, very Jess style.
Yes. I don't know, Jess likes to do these really creative poses and she really likes to pose her models well. I'm not very good with it, but I'm gonna get you sitting down on the ground and I'm actually gonna take a landscape shot, which is something else that Jess does a lot and I never do. That's perfect, Georgia. Gorgeous.
I feel like every photographer has their own style and has like shots that they do. So Kayleigh just knew right off the bat, like she did her homework basically and she knew like all the shots that I do, which I thought was very impressive.
Amazing. Okay, now we're gonna go into the full sun because Jess likes to shoot in full sunlight, like I do actually. Oh my God, the time is going so quickly. So what I might actually get you doing is maybe just on top of there and standing.
So funnily enough, I actually feel like I did better with Kayleigh because it's something that I'm used to doing.
A little bit across that way, perfect. And then like angling your face up to the sun. Yeah, perfect. Like anything quirky pose-wise that you can think of. Okay, so my experience shooting like Jess was like actually a lot of fun because I felt it was good to move around. Like it was actually good to get different angles, different locations, different colors and textures. That's great. I'll get you doing that again, but just pushing your arm back a little bit further. Perfect. Oh, amazing. I love that. Jess likes to have the feet, like one foot always kind of like really close to the camera. Perfect. And just angling your face like that way.
What surprised me about Kayleigh is that she literally knew everything that I did. Like at one point she's like, oh, Georgia, pull your foot out because Jessica does that. And I'm like, I do that. Like, how did you remember all this stuff?
And then angling the other way with your face.
28 seconds left.
Oh my God, amazing. Perfect, and then tilting up towards the sun. Beautiful.
10 seconds left.
Ah, we'll do some more. Oh my God.
5, 4, 3, 2,
And then a couple of these.
time's up.
Oh my God. That was exhausting. Oh my God.
A lot of variety though. Like we went from over there.
We did.
Right here within that 5 minutes.
I'm not used to moving, really.
Now we're gonna do a reveal of the photos that we took in each other's style. So who's going first? You wanna go first?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm ripping the Band-Aid off.
Let's see. Okay, yes.
So I've got some portraits, some landscape portraits, but then I've also got...
Yeah, okay, I
few
definitely
of
would shoot like that,
these.
yes. Wow, you used that like side light too. Wow, okay, that was something that I would do, a sticker like out. What made you shoot against this rustic wall?
I don't know, I think you always tend to go for like a rustic
I
background.
do.
You love
She
that.
knows. You guys, she knows. Oh, I love that. You know what though? I noticed that yours are a bit brighter than I would shoot mine.
True, because you do underexpose a little bit for your photos. Actually, that is something that I did forget.
Yeah, yours are a little bright. I saw them, I'm like, wow, these are nice and bright. Like, oh, the walking shot, okay. Those are hard to get, by the way. I usually have models do that like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah, literally.
So-
I feel like I only got like probably a couple out of the walking
She's
shots
like, do it
because
one time.
It's just like you just keep shooting until you get it right. But obviously I only had like a minute to get it right.
Let me show you what I came up with, your style.
Ooh.
A little bit of leap. Okay, so trying to get the exposure right was a little tough. A little tough. What are we thinking? Like, is the exposure okay?
These are beautiful. I feel like your exposure is good.
Ooh.
It really is. I mean, we did lose the sun there
What
too.
it-
Oh, nice.
The leaf, did I do well with the leaf? Georgia was the one like holding the leaf and everything.
I like adding a prop in there every now and then.
So what do you think overall?
I love the full sun ones. I think you did beautifully with these. And
Thank
Georgia's
you.
skin tone just looks beautifully illuminated. They're probably a little bit more dreamier, I think, some of these than maybe what I do. I tend to,
Yeah.
I go for a bit more of a commercial feel with some of my work.
Yeah, that's hard.
But you know what? I like that. I like that
Thank
you put your
you.
own spin on it.
I feel nervous switching back, but we got this. So we're switching back. Here you go. And with that, it concludes the lens challenge. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.